guys, welcome back to another video.
Guess what?
Oh my gosh.
It's Asia here.
Okay, it was on the video then, huh?
I'm gonna be showing you how I got this. It's on the, so I'm like, what are you talking about? Okay, look, like you can't hear her, but Jolene is here too. So it's Asia and Jolene here. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this makeup look. If you're coming from one of my music review videos, hi. It's really quick, just wow, quarantine episode. That's what Jolene just said. The look is gonna be really quick. It's just gonna be focused on my eyes because I have other videos where I've done my face before. So I hope you guys enjoy, and the products are gonna be listed in the description box. I forgot that I didn't put the color on my inner eye area, so I'm just gonna throw it in there. And you guys probably noticed that I forgot
this whole dang time.
Yeah, that I forgot. Hold on! I forgot to clean up my brow before I did it, so I cleaned it up after.
What are you doing on this video, bruh?
Alright, I'm out of here because she is driving me nuts.
Who does this?
I was just gonna pop back in and show you guys what the look looks like when I put lashes on. So this is the final look. I'm gonna go, but I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye guys.
Who does this?
Hold on, it's Asia here.
Coronavirus!